Hello, happy Sunday. I spent the morning packing and get everything ready for tomorrow because I leave to go pick up Christine. We are taking a road trip back home here to Michigan from Chicago, Illinois. Today I'm over at my Aunt Patty's house and Uncle Mike's house. We had a barbecue, we were hung out in the pool. I stayed away from the sun. Look at my sunburn. Like here shaded, red. It was great. We just ate dinner, which was wonderful, and now I think everybody's just playing cards and hanging out because it's starting to rain.
So cute.
So she won't do